Hey, what's going on everybody? My name is Ali Saleh and you're watching this video either because you stumbled across it or somebody actually sent you this video because they thought this video had information that could change and empower your life. Look, I'm gonna keep it very real with you. There's a lot of people right now in 2025 and beyond that are looking to change and really just transform their lives. They're looking for a way to make an extra income outside of their typical 9 to 5. They are very scared of what's happening in the financial markets and all the uncertainty that's out there. But most importantly, people are just wanting to live a better way of life. And there's nothing wrong with that. That's exactly what I was in 2016. Although I was earning a very nice 6-figure income with a sales company back in 2016, one of my clients actually introduced me to a different way of making money and I held on to that. And in 2018, I was able to walk away from my job. And since then, I've been living my life by design. And it's been incredible. So this information that I'm going to share with you, ladies and gentlemen, is very powerful information. I'm going to get through it as quick as I possibly can. But the ecosystem that we're going to be talking about is the ecosystem of AkashX. So first and foremost, I just want to start off by saying I'm not a financial advisor. Anything that I say and mention in this video is not meant to be financial advice. You should always do your own research. Trading and investing in the financial markets, you can and will potentially lose money. So it's very, very important for you to do your own research. But let's go ahead and dive into the presentation and talk a little bit about what is AkashX. Well, AkashX is a community of entrepreneurs with a mission to help millions of people create financial wellness and freedom, leveraging social selling within the financial markets. AkashX is a tech company based out of the US that is providing an ecosystem for people to thrive. Today, people want to master new skills like trading and understanding AI, okay? Now, we want you to empower your financial journey. Why? Because 67% of American workers right now say they're living paycheck to paycheck with nothing in the way of savings. That might be you. Over 18 million households in the US don't have enough money to buy food scarcity. 70% of consumers say that they struggle to buy groceries due to rising cost of living. And 60% of US households don't even have enough to afford a minimum quality of life, while 50% of the world's jobs will be eliminated due to artificial intelligence. And the reality is, e-learning might be the most valuable skill set in today's economy. So right now, you might want to learn more about the financial markets because of the information I just showed you and talked to you about, but you might not know how. And what's separating you from actually investing and trading in the financial markets is the financial market barrier. There's a knowledge gap. You don't know how to get started. You don't know what to do. You don't have access. There's a complex way to get started. You look at numbers and charts and you're like, what am I looking at? I can't do that. Emotional discipline. Maybe you've tried trading before and you failed miserably, or maybe it's just lack of mentorship. You don't know who to ask, you don't know where to go. And that's exactly where AkashX comes in with the solution, where we can help you capitalize in the financial markets no matter what your prior experience is. You can know absolutely nothing about trading. You could be intermediate or advanced. We have something for everyone inside AkashX. But what we provide you is an e-learning academy. In this e-learning academy, it's a video training academy where you could learn the fundamentals of the market so you can actually understand how to actually trade, right? And you can learn on your go, which makes it super powerful. Then we also have our Oracle live trading sessions where you can learn and trade live with experts in the financial markets and have the opportunity to earn while you learn. This is where it's really powerful because you get to hop on a session. It's a trading room with another educator, and this individual is qualified to basically show you what they know and give you their tips and tricks on how they trade and invest in the financial markets. And a lot of these sessions aren't just educational, they're money-making sessions, so they're really fun and exciting. We've actually created a really amazing one-click technology called Tap to Trade, where we actually send notifications directly to your phone. You receive a push notification the same way you do from Facebook and Instagram. You click on this push notification, step 1. Step 2, you click approve. And step 3, you could potentially realize profit. So with the one-click technology, you get just to mirror expert traders, no charts, no analysis, just focus on your results. You choose your trader, set your risk, and that's it. Tap to Trade, also known as TTT, is one of the most dynamic ways to start trading. And this is one of the biggest gaps that we've bridged. We've built a bridge for this gap of actually helping people to execute trades. Because although it sounds simple, it's really difficult. So this one-click approved trading technology with Tap to Trade makes it so that anyone can get started trading in the financial markets. Now we also have pulse signals. This is a little bit more advanced where you actually receive same notification on your phone. Now when you open it, you just have to go and copy and paste the parameters. They give you the entries and the exits, and you basically copy, paste, and potentially profit. If you could order pizza in 2025 online, you could trade in the financial markets with the pulse signals, just copy and paste, boom, that's it. It's very, very simple. Anybody can do it. And look, up until a year or 2 years ago, before we created Tap to Trade, we're the only company that has it. This was the only way for people to trade. Now with Tap to Trade, we've made it even more simple. Then we have our AkashX scanner marketplace where you can access Go, Breakout, Pivot, and Vault, many other scanners as well that will use the power of AI technology to identify key areas in the market and send you potential setups for you to trade on your own. So whether there's no live sessions, no trade ideas, no tap to trades, you could go straight to the scanner marketplace and find yourself an opportunity. And crypto is over $2 trillion in market cap. It's booming. Everyone's talking about it. So our Krypton Crypto Academy will help you buy your first cryptos, trade in the crypto markets effectively, and even mirror trading professionals, which is absolutely crazy. Krypton to the moon. Super excited about the Krypton Trading Academy. Now, once you get into the ecosystem, we're also going to provide you advanced level technology. This advanced level technology with our trade log ecosystem will allow you to journal your trades so you can actually keep an almanac of what you're trading and why you're trading it. We have Lumina Analytics so it could track all the trading results. So this way you can see exactly what your performance is, and you could use our Sage AI assistant to help you actually refine your strategy and ask Sage AI to really help you on your trading journey. We've integrated with OpenAI, which is super exciting. So happy about this partnership, and it's going to take your trading to the complete next level. Now, you might be thinking to yourself, Ali, all this sounds great, but how do I actually get started? Well, there's three main ways to get started as a newbie trader, right? The first way is a demo trading account. This is basically paper trading. Make all the mistakes you want, and I highly recommend everybody start with this, and then slide into a cash account with a live broker, where you open up a live broker, you deposit some capital, and you trade and execute real trades in a live market environment. And the other way to trade in the Forex CFD markets is with a prop firm account, where you actually leverage other people's money to trade in the financial markets. So it's basically a two-step challenge account where you have to grow the account, and once you grow the account to certain levels in step 1 and step 2, they actually give you a funded trader certificate, which means that you actually have this certificate, which means you're the GOAT. And then now what they do is they provide you with a funded account with a certain amount of capital that you trade with, and you split your profits with the prop firm. So these are the three ways to actually trade CFDs in the Forex market. Now, what's really exciting about AkashX is when you get started with some of our memberships, we'll actually give you a 10, 25, 50, or even 100K challenge account for you to trade with, so you could use other people's money without risking your own capital inside AkashX. So just in a second here, I'll show you how you can get started with that. So here's some real people with real results. You know, let's take a look at Stace, for example. I know her very well. She lives out in Stockton, California. She walked away from 2 9-to-5 jobs to pursue trading full time. Using the powerful tools and educations from AkashX, I developed the skills and confidence to trade independently, now earning over 10K in profits and building the life she's always wanted. And we have many other testimonials here as well. Now, to become a member of AkashX, guys, is super simple. My mentor told me many years ago, never allow a 3-figure decision to hold you back from the potential of a 6-figure income. Someone digging for gold does not concern themselves with the price of the shovel. So if you get started in the AkashX monthly, it's $199 to start, and then $179 a month for your membership. You get access to everything I mentioned: Tap to Trade, the Academy, Oracle, Pulse, Krypton, RadarX, and all the smart tools we talked about. That's what you'll get inside the AkashX monthly. Maybe you want to prepay for 3 months, you get a little bit of a discount, $499 one time, you get access to everything we talked about, plus you get a $25,000 challenge account to trade with, and you use our services to help you pass phase 1 and phase 2. Same thing with a 6-month, you get access to everything, a discount, $50K challenge account. If you want to go all in with the annual, you can do that for $18.99. No monthly membership on the 3-month, the 6-month, and the annual, because you're paying for it up front. You get a little bit of a discount on them as well, and you get a $100,000 challenge account to trade with on the annual membership. Now, we do also have a travel membership here as well, a travel portal, and you can basically get that travel portal for just an extra $20 a month. And I'm gonna explain to you what you get in that travel portal. You get access to hotel discounts, rental cars, activities, excursions. You get discounts on shopping, cruises, weekly reports. It's really an incredible discount travel portal. And once you access that, you have 2 exclusive booking engines, hotels, shopping, 100% price match guarantee. And also, once you include this and you pay your membership for 6 months, you get a bonus 7-night luxury resort certificate. So you actually can go stay on a resort for free. All you have to do is just pay the taxes, resorts fees, and that's basically it. So to become an AkashX Trade and Travel member, all you do is pay $249 to start, $199 a month. You get everything in the AkashX membership plus everything in the travel membership that I just showed you. And on top of that, you get access to having that travel voucher if you maintain your membership for 6 months. Now, when you go to the 3-month membership, and you also get a $10,000 challenge account on that monthly, okay? Now, if you do the 3-month membership, you get the 25K challenge account, plus you also, again, if you renew for 6 months, boom, you're gonna get that voucher. Once you pay for the 6th month for $9.99 one time, all right, you're gonna get your voucher automatically because you've already paid for 6 months of service, and you get a $50,000 challenge account to trade with as well. And the Trade and Travel annual is $19.99 for the year, and you get the bonus 100K travel challenge account, plus you also get the travel voucher as well. Now, inside this ecosystem, you have the opportunity to earn a free membership as a customer. If you enroll 3 people, your monthly membership is waived. Think of it as a scholarship. And maybe you're ambitious like me and you want to go out there and actually show this opportunity to other people and earn a residual income. You absolutely can do that. You just pay to become an IBO. It's $30 one time, $14.95 a month to unlock all the benefits of being a distributor inside the direct selling ecosystem. And as you can see here, we have opportunities for you to earn a part-time income, a full-time income, or a fortune. So all you have to do is build your team left and your team right, and you basically can build yourself a residual check over and over and over again. And our community also hosts tons of events every single year. We do trading boot camps, leadership boot camps, masterminds, and many other opportunities for us to meet in person, rub shoulder to shoulder, belly to belly, and really build something amazing. Look, guys, I'm telling you right now, AkashX, from a technology perspective, from a leadership perspective, from a results-based perspective, we are providing literally a white glove experience for people paying 3 figures to get started. And it's so incredible what we've created here. So I implore you to get back to the person who invited you to this video and take action, because we are changing the game every single day. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you on the next one. Take care and stay blessed.